First of all, I thank so much Sumanta sir and also you sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be part of this course. Personally, if I have to tell you from my angle, first of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Rohit. I'm from Bangalore. I passed out my MBBS from KIMS, and for a certain duration I was in the US doing my MS from there. So I think one of the greatest advantages I have from this course is that the information within these 2 days have been brainstormed into my head, jam-packed in a way that is, that's this particular way the information has been passed on. I think it has given me a systemic format.
Just look at here. Simple less than 200 fast. Meningitis. So now what is the diagnosis?
Through which I can work on it, and I think this has actually been imprinted in my system. So now the learning process, I'm sure, is going to be easier, and the preparation for my MRCP is going to be way easier than otherwise if I had not been part of this course. So I look forward to participating in the online course also, and looking forward for Sumanta sir to be my mentor throughout for my MRCP and all the rest of my career also. Thank you so much, sir.